Virtual reality transforms how we experience everything from gaming to training. Today, we're diving into its application in extreme sports through a VR rock climbing simulation. Our study focuses on comparing different interaction methods in VR to discover the most effective way to enhance realism and immersion. Specifically, the three distinct methods: VR controllers, hand tracking, and haptic gloves. Using the Unity software, MetaQuest controllers, and TactGloves, we tested these technologies with participants in a controlled environment. Interestingly enough, while we anticipated haptic gloves would lead the way, it was hand tracking that provided a more immersive experience. These findings open new doors for training and entertainment in VR, significantly reducing the risks associated with extreme sports.